Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Sarah. Please do consider to subscribe to our channel so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, on today's video, we are going to be doing flat tummy and glowing skin, okay? The first thing that I'm doing now, I'm slicing my red pepper. Red pepper is powerful in antioxidant that can shade the skin against UVA and UVB damage, okay? It's also good in developing a risk of early sign of aging on your skin, and it's also strengthening your skin as well, okay? After slicing my red pepper, I'm going to add it to my blender. I'm going to add it to my bone, okay? Then the next thing that we'll be needing is our tomatoes. It's our orange. You all know that orange juice is very good to glow your skin, and it's high in antioxidant, and it contains vitamin C, and it's good to make your skin glow from in, okay? And it also improve heart health. It decrease inflammation, and it reduce risk of kidney stone, okay? So drinking orange juice, making it yourself at home, is one of the best thing that you can ever do. All right guys, after that we'll be needing our tomatoes. You all know that tomatoes juice is rich in nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B vitamins, and it's also an excellent source of antioxidant that can help you to reduce inflammation and your risk of heart disease, okay, and some cancer, okay? So guys, be sure that you make your tomatoes juice yourself, not the one that contains sugar, okay? So making it yourself, it's really going to help you a lot, okay? So guys, after that, I'm going to be adding my ginger, just a little tip of ginger. You can see I'm going to be adding just a little bit of ginger. After that guys, the next thing that I'll be adding is my lime orange. Lime orange is also good to glow your skin from in, and it's not just to glow your skin, it will help you in your weight loss, your flat tummy, and it's really good as well to be on diet, okay? After slicing my lime, I'm going to add to my bowl as well. All right, so guys, after that, the next thing that we'll be adding is my carrot. You all know that carrot juice is incredible nutrient that provide potassium, several vitamins, okay? Vitamins like vitamin A, C, and K. Drinking the veggie juice may help improve high health, and it's also good in boosting your immunity system, okay? Then after that, we are going to be blending. After blending, I'm going to stir. If you have juicer, you can use juicer just to juice it out. That one is very good, but my juicer has a little bit of force, so that's why anytime you see me blending my stuff, I'm just blending them for now before I'll get a new juicer, okay? So guys, it's really important, okay? Then after that, I'm just going to add to my my jar. Then the next thing we do, go ahead and drink it once a day, and you are going to thank me later, okay? The juice look really nice, it look really good, it helps in boosting your immunity system, it helps in digestion, it helps in glowing your skin and all that. Okay guys, please, if you have not yet subscribed and you watched to this time, do consider to subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, guys, this is what we created. And now I'm going to go ahead and drink, and let's see the taste, okay? Some people might not like the taste. You can as well add a little bit of honey. Bye, guys.